In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get power rods here in Arc Raiders. Before we do to get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. The easiest way to go ahead and do this is by crafting them, and you can do this by going on the main menu and then selecting Workshop up at the very top, and from here you got to just simply go ahead and hit install and install yourself the refiner. You can do this for 60 metal parts and 5 arc power cells. But after you do install it, simply go ahead and select it just like so. And when you do open it up, you're going to see that you can craft power rods using 2 advanced electrical components and 2 arc circuitry. Just craft them right there and you're good to go. That is by far the easiest method. If you don't want to craft though, you can actually find them in the world. If you open up the play section and go into Dam Battlegrounds, what you're going to want to do is open up the map and look for like little areas that have this little technological symbol on it. Kind of looks like a computer chip. The best spots for this is going to be Control Center, and then also the little lightning bolt electrical symbol is pretty good as well. So Power Generation Complex is pretty solid too. Essentially go to those areas and look for the ones that are either highlighted yellow or in red, for example, just since those are high loot zones and these are a little bit rarer. But prioritize electrical dashboards, drawers, and other interactive objects. And for an even higher chance, try searching during electrical storms, night raids, or events when loot quality is boosted. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.